Well, this is the shortest video that I'm going to make. Here I have created a monkey and a plane, and we will be seeing the next parameter inside the render properties. And under the hair, we have been given two types of hairs. One is rounded ribbons. This is for faster rendering, but the quality will be very low. And this is useful when you are very far away from a character and the hairs are not that close up to the camera. And this parameter is available with the rounded ribbons, and this defines how the curvature of the hairs, how smooth the curvature of the hair must be. Two values means one like this and second like this and then like this. There are two subdivisions. If I give 10 subdivisions, there will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The curve will be very smooth. So that is defined by this curve subdivision. And the next parameter is 3D curve. This is very useful when we are very close up to the character which has hairs, and that time 3D curve will be helping us more. And one more thing, it will take a lot of time to render as well. And if you are liking this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and leave a comment as you please. And if you want to financially support me, you can go on Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Phone number will be given in the description as well. And if you want, you can support me through Patreon's page. Links will be given in the description as well. With that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.